Hello students, myself Rohit Kaur Gupta, and today our next topic is noise pollution, given on page number 252. It is given on page number 252. So today we have to discuss about noise pollution of this. Sound that are loud or unnecessary are called noise. It means the sound in which are very loud are called unnecessary sound, or it is also unhealthy for our ears. The presence of loud, unwanted, and disturbing sounds in our environment is called noise pollution. So, what is noise pollution? The unwanted sound which is present in our environment is called noise pollution. Okay. What are the unwanted sounds? From where the unwanted sound comes to our ear is very important, which is given here in your book. These are the important places from where the sounds come to our ear, which disturbs our minds and also our health and damages to our environment with by doing noise pollution. So here first is the motor vehicles running on the road produces noise pollution by blowing horn horn sounds of their earrings. It means that the vehicles which are running or the bus, car, aeroplanes, bikes which are moving on the road produces noise pollution with the help of horn. The bursting of crackers on various occasions causes noise pollution. Burning of crackers, okay, which you burns on Diwali and etc. for our purposes, it also produces noise pollution. The various machines in factories cause down and cause noise pollution. There are many factories which produces very much amount of noise with the help of machines. So in factories, the factories which are running at a very large amount, it means that created very much important thing, but it also creates noise pollution which is very harmful to our environment and to our mind and health also. So bursting of cracker, various machines and motor vehicles are the important place from where the sound pollution occur. The takeoff, landing and flying of the aeroplane also produces noise pollution. Okay. So aeroplane also produces noise pollution where when it produces noise pollution, it produces noise pollution when it's take off from the ground. Landings means when it comes to the ground, and flying, during flying also it produces very large amount of noise pollution. Okay. Fifth, the playing of loudspeakers, okay, in marriages and other social functions causes soil pollution. It means when there is marriage function etc or any type of party which is occurred in our society, they try to create much amount of sound with the help of DJs or loudspeakers. During social function, we should don't use these DJs loudspeakers because it created very much amount of sound which causes noise pollution to our society. The construction of building produces a lot of noise sounds in the surroundings. There are some process in which there is construction of building and which also help in production of large amount of sounds. So these are the 4, 5 and 6 major important plus places from where the noise pollution occurs in our surrounding. Due to this, our environment get dirty. Okay. And the major sources of noise pollution in homes are the following, which you have to read from the book, television, radio, appliances, mixture, kitchen, grinder. So these are the also the sound pollution